Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today let's do the unboxing of this guitar. That's ukulele which I got for my kid on his birthday. So the packing is like this. I got this from Amazon. I will share the link over in the description box. So this is the packing. This is the cover for the guitar which I got along with the guitar itself. This is how it looks, and there is a string also with that. The piano is of brown color. So this is a nice thing if you want to gift some musical instrument to your kids. I hope you like this, and I really like this for my kid. That's ukulele. The sound is pretty nice. I hope you like this product. I will share the link if you want to buy the same. Thank you for watching.